Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We are unboxing the YEDC Mechanical Pig Slider. So let us just jump right into it. Scissors. Attack the bag. Oh, I missed. Attack the bag. Attack. Oh, I almost attacked the other bag that's in here. There is a second bag. And here we go. The second bag. I can't pick up my scissors. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, good. Wow. So I asked for the Ding Ding kit, and here we go. Lots of wowie. It's a lot of stuff. Springs and cups, and I wish this was labeled as to whether these are strong or soft or whatnot, but we will find out together. Oh, there's more. There's even more. So these are little, the balls in the pins. I always forget what these are called, but they're like little pins. Okay, so that's a lot. Alright, so I am gonna set these aside back in here, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna set them aside. Okay. And now to open this. Let's see, I run my thumb along here so that I can make the perfect cut. Perfect cut. All right. Pop that open. Got that. So we got the, here's the actual slider. And it has the Teflon plate. And then here is the Ultem plate. And it comes with some other springs and balls. And 2 stickers. Cool. All right. Let us open this. Fold this back up. I just like to put that off to the side so we can look at this. Ooh, oh, upside down. Ooh, it is nice. It is very pretty. I like how shiny it is. Wow, that is strong, strong and poppy. Listen to that. It's got a nice little thumb indentation right here for your thumb. This feels good. You know, I was expecting this to be really meh. But I love how strong this is. This just like, so it's 5 clicks in either direction. Okay. So how much does it weigh? $19.7 grams. Let's compare it to this other Ultem slider that I got. This one I got from Amazon. It's also 5 clicks in either direction. How much does this one weigh? weighs less. 17 point. This one, so let's talk about how they are different and similar. So they are similar, obviously, in that they are both Ultem, or PEI, plastic. They both have 5 clicks in either direction. Also the ones that you can buy on Amazon for this one, the newer ones, they have, the plates in them are going to be Teflon, from what I'm seeing. Just so you know. But like when you're moving up and down, it's really for this one, this slider, it feels kind of loose. Like the whole thing is a bit loose, and you can kind of move to the next one like super easily. So if you, I mean, it's good for if you want to like do this like a lot. Like if you're the kind of person that just wants to, you know, do, if you love that, then this is a good one. But it just feels, the whole thing feels very loose. Hear that kind of, I mean, that's of course the internals also, so some internal rattling, maybe? I don't know. I think I think that's actually the slider. But it is, it does not feel very, like, tight. Like it, like, you move it to the next one and it's there. Like, this takes a little bit of force. Everything is very tight. Everything is it's very, very tight. Which I'm liking. I'm digging this. I am really digging this. Everything is super, super tight. It's so you move up and down and it's there. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's like, moving up and down. Damn, that's smooth. But yeah, this one, it is cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. Like this is like, what, 40 bucks or something? I can't remember. But it's a lot cheaper, this Ultem slider. But this Mechanical Pig Slider, you know, it's 100 bucks. So glossy. Sorry, distracted. A little bit taller. .47 millimeters by 47 by 27. Ooh, look at those sevens. So 47 by 27. 44.5. 26.1. No, 26. yeah, there is just like that major difference between them. This sounds a lot brighter. The sound doesn't really seem to carry much further on this. But this seems a lot more poppy, brighter. I am loving this pig nose slider. Yeah, so they are different. They are different. Now to the One Pal. One Pal sounds even brighter. I can't really compare it to the One Pal. It's different. They're the same kind of thing, you know. They're both these mechanical sliders, but they are very different. You know, you're looking for such different things if you want to get one or the other. Because one, like the Zerk one, is really heavy. Well, not really, really heavy. It's 75.39. Not super heavy. It's bright, but because it's heavy, it doesn't really hold the position too well. It's got 4 clicks in either direction. This is not really a comparison of, well, this is not a review of the One Pal. So let's move that out of the way. This is the, I should move this out of the way too. I'm spending too much time on that. All right, so this is just so good. I should make another video exploring the Ding Ding kit, because that would take too long for this review. I'm already at I'm almost at 19 minutes. So yeah, this is really good. I am a fan of this. I compared it to the other two, and even still, like, I like it. Shit, I might like it better. It's the sound and just how, like, how well machined this is just like, I don't know how to explain it, guys, but it's really, really good. This is good. And I will make a video with the Ding Ding kit, doing everything with that. Because that one is going to be much longer. That's going to be the next video. So yeah, this YEDC Mechanical Pig Nose Slider. A+. I didn't look at the internals. Shit. I'm gonna have to do that in another video. Or we could just do that now. In another video. Alright guys. Let's just look at it real quick. Just real quick. That's not it. Alright, hang on. Okay, sorry about that. I lost a bit and then I had to find it. Okay. Okay, so let's just check out how this thing works real quick. Just real quick. So we undo this screw. And then we undo this screw. Lift. Oh no, I lost a ball. Alright, so there are 3 balls and they run along the track. There's 3 tracks. Grab that ball. Ah! There we go. 3 balls. They run along the track. And let's see. Oh, I gotta line this up. See if I line this up. Put this back together. Okay, yeah, so there were 3 balls that go along the track like that. And that's how this thing works. And then in another video, I will check out the ding ding kit. Such a funny word. Yeah, I'll check out the ding ding kit and yeah, go through all those because that's a lot and it's just too much for this video. And yeah, so that is the YEDC pig nose, mechanical pig nose slider, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of long, but yeah, I wish I had gone over more things, but man, it's good. Especially, I think, if you get the ding ding kit, because that's a lot of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go over that, and that'll be the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will definitely answer them. I always do. I hope that you will like this video and subscribe. It really helps. And I will see you in the next one. I hope you have in the next video, I hope you have a fantastic day today. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye guys.